Hey everyone, let's jump right into this explainer and crush those wild Windows 12 rumors.
First off, the massive elephant in the room, is Windows 12 going to force a monthly subscription on us?
Breathe easy. That leaked code was literally just internal testing for enterprise stuff, absolutely not for consumers.
But here's what is real. A brand new, slick interface is actually hiding inside recent insider builds.
It's called Krypton Shell Host. Microsoft is quietly testing this super modern UI, totally hidden behind cloud flags. Now, the software stays free, but you'll definitely need heavy metal for it, specifically a 45 TOPS NPU.
Why? Because that huge processing power literally unlocks next-gen premium features like AutoSR 2.0.
Don't sweat it though. Your current rig will still work perfectly fine, just minus the fancy AI.
So, with 12 delayed to late 2026, we really got to focus on our immediate reality, Windows 11.
Crazy fact, right now, Windows 11 holds a measly 34% market share compared to 10. With Windows 10 practically on its deathbed, how does 11's performance actually stack up for us today?
Check this out. The newest Windows 11 updates are consistently crushing Windows 10 across the board.
Upgrading gives you a massive 17% frame generation boost for your modern gaming titles. Insane, right?
Actually, if you're heavily playing older DX11 games, the previous 23H2 version still holds a slight edge.
Now, Windows 10 support completely dies in October 2025, so how should you actually make the jump?
Well, you've basically got two paths here. A quick in-place upgrade or going for a clean install.
That in-place upgrade is super convenient, but it seriously drags along years of bloated registry junk.
Contrast that with a clean install. It wipes everything, guaranteeing you peak memory efficiency and total stability.
The difference is huge. A totally clean install literally drops your boot time to just 10 seconds.
Please always back up first. If things go sideways, recovery software acts like your ultimate digital safety net.
The whole hardware landscape is shifting fast, folks. Is your current PC actually ready for the AI era?